Imagine you have accepted an offer on your beloved home, ready for a smooth closing, only to have the buyer suddenly back out at the last minute. It is certainly a frustrating situation, leaving you wondering about your options. A seller can indeed demand specific performance for a home, which is a legal remedy compelling the buyer to complete the purchase as agreed in the contract. This powerful option is available when the buyer breaches a valid, legally binding purchase agreement and when simply receiving monetary damages would not adequately compensate the seller. The core reason specific performance exists in real estate is tied to the unique nature of every property. Unlike other goods where a replacement can be easily found, each piece of real estate is considered one of a kind. This makes calculating appropriate monetary damages very difficult, as it is hard to put an exact price on the lost opportunity or the specific qualities of a house. Therefore, courts often recognize that the only fair remedy is to enforce the original contract. For a seller to successfully pursue specific performance, several key conditions must typically be met. First, there must be a clear and legally enforceable written contract with all essential terms, like the property address, purchase price, and closing date, clearly defined. Second, the seller must demonstrate they were ready, willing, and able to fulfill their obligations under the contract, such as delivering a clear title. Finally, the buyer must have clearly breached the contract, and the seller must show that financial compensation alone would not be sufficient to make them whole. While specific performance is often sought by buyers to secure a unique property, the principle of mutuality of remedy means sellers can also use it. This legal concept affirms that if one party to a contract can seek specific performance, the other party generally can too. This reinforces the serious commitment involved in a real estate purchase agreement and highlights the legal weight behind signed contracts in property transactions. Understanding when specific performance can be applied offers a valuable layer of protection for sellers, reinforcing the importance of a well-drafted purchase agreement. Always consult with a qualified real estate attorney if you find yourself in such a situation, as they can guide you through the specific legal requirements and potential court proceedings to enforce your contract successfully and help you move forward with confidence.